The next element on your home page is the widgets at the bottom. We'll go over the icons for the services page a little bit later in a different video. So go back in the back of appearances and widgets. You have two main sidebars. The homepage sidebar is just the WordPress lingo for sidebars, whether it's a sidebar or not a sidebar. For some reason they just call that area sidebar. And then you have the general sidebar, which is the sidebar that shows up on your blog pages. As you can see, we have the testimonial widgets here. And all it is it takes the testimonials that you create in the custom post type called testimonials, and it places them in that widget in the format that was created in the design. You can change the title of it if you wanted to. Just make sure to click save. Again, the widgets are very easy to drag and drop, so all you have to do is click on it, drag it, let go, give it a name, save, and it will work. Now, of course, your home page is set up to show only 3 widgets, so it will not show up the 4th widget, or it will break the layout of the page. So, but if you ever wanted to place this widget, say, in the sidebar of the blog, you could probably do that. Let's do delete. The next widget is the news from the blog. That's a blog feed. Again, this is this news post widget. Again, drag and drop. Give it a name, change it if you want to, click on save. And the last one is the Twitter feed. Now your Twitter feed is set up through a plugin called Widget. The settings for that plugin is in here, I believe, settings, and then Widget. Here is your user name, the handle for your Twitter account. Now make sure you don't change this. This needs to use API 101. As you can see from this message here, the last version will be disconnected in March of this year. And then we also added all of your credentials here. That's why I needed you to give me access to your account. Just make sure you don't change any of this stuff. Don't delete anything or it will not work. The Twitter feed refresh, how many minutes between refreshes, the number of tweets. As per your design, it was set up to show 3 tweets, so that's what we set it up to. I believe you can change it to show more, however, it will kind of stretch the page and then the other widgets will look a little out of place. Let's go back to widgets. Again, you can change the title for the Twitter feed if you needed to, and click on save. And I'll go over the general sidebar for the blog in the video about the blog.